Gotta pay to play. Gotta pay to play. Well, this is the situation. Yeah, this kind of rain just won't be suitable for the shoes I have on. I have the Hoka Carbon X3s. They're netted, lots of holes, and yeah, I just won't be able to run with a wet foot like that. So I'm gonna wait it out a little bit. We're a quarter mile into the run, and yeah, maybe a little stretching, and hopefully this. Boom, excellent workout. That gives us 4 days in a row of executing the plan. So it's good, you know, when you get into a rhythm like this, you start to become dangerous. Once you build back that discipline, the habits, things just get easier and easier. So I felt pretty good in that 5K. Glad I did a little cool down run as well. Sets me up for success for tomorrow. And I think my new TT time trial helmet comes tomorrow. I'm pretty excited about that. I'm looking forward to seeing the watts that we can save there, and just truly be able to go a little bit faster. So that's exciting, and if it comes in time, hopefully I'll be able to get a ride and test it out. Yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up for today. Just wanted to get back on the vlog, put out a quick video, give you guys a little update, and as we come into closer to the race, we'll have a lot more content and more vlogs coming your way. So thanks again for checking out my channel. If you already subscribed, I really appreciate it. If not, please subscribe for more content. And that's a wrap. See you on the next video.
You